thank you for joining us today. Grabe, it's so nice to see familiar faces and I'm very grateful. At kinakabahan ako. Kagabi pa ako kinakabahan. First time in a very long time. Diba sabi ko kanina, after almost 5 years, ito na ulit.
Yes, welcome back. Kung nangyari
Thank you.
kanina ng iyong husband na talagang kagabi daw, nag-uusap kayo, kinakabahan ka raw talaga. Oh, but now that the contract signing is done, and nakita mo yung AVP, yung mga messages ng mga tao, na-feel mo yung pag-welcome back sa'yo. Kamusta naman yung kaba mo ngayon? Nawala na ba? How are you feeling right now?
Medyo nawala na kasi parang nag-warm up na ng konti. Sobrang grateful and nagulat ako actually kasi ganun pala kalaki yung paghahanda ng aking ABS-CBN family and of course my Star Magic family. I'm really overwhelmed with, happiness and gratefulness talaga. As in, kanina ang dami